Writing is more than just scribbling over paper. It's an art to discover yourself.
The biggest and the most frequent advice I've got as a media student is to develop a habit of writing. And not just creative writing, writing on subjects that you read about, expressing your opinion, explaining the subject matter. And while at first it might sound quite overwhelming, I'll break it down for you. Hey stories, it's Isha and welcome to this channel Live Your Story. And today we're going to be discussing how you can develop a regular habit of writing. Let's begin.
Even before you start writing, go explore and observe your surrounding. What do you see around yourself? Figure out what are some things that you strongly feel about. You have an opinion on something? Start writing on it. Look what you see on the internet. What's going there? Is there something you have an opinion about? That might be a good subject for you to write on. Trust me when I say that. Many of your writings are based on what you see on daily basis. And this makes me go to the second point. Start with writing something you're interested in or something that you strongly feel about. When you first start to develop a habit of writing, there's a trick to write something that you completely enjoy so that you're eager to come back and write the next day as well. I personally start my day with journaling and get into the zone of writing. Once I'm into the zone, I can now write a few more steps as well. That's when I schedule my study session and write on subjects concerned. One easy way to collect a bunch of topics you can write on is to make a list of all the things you enjoy. It can be food, movies, web shows, successful people, business, social media, politics, finance, and whatnot. Make your own list and write one topic against each one of them which you think you can write on. Let's say for example food. Now there's just so many things that you can write about food. Your experience with your local cuisine is one such example I'm quoting. Make sure you start with something easy so that you're more likely to come back and continue this habit. Another hack to stick to regular writing habit is to take a support of an app. I personally enjoy YorQuote. They give you multiple prompts every single day, which I guess is enough to push you to write. Take a support of an app and see if that works for you. One habit which, trust me, can be game changer is fixing a time for writing. Trust me when I say that I have tested both fixing a time and not fixing a time and giving myself the freedom to write whenever and whichever time I feel like. That doesn't work. Routine works better, you stories, and trust me, you'll write more pieces this way. What gives me a sudden spark of inspiration is reading other writers, and it instantly boosts me up to write something of my own as well. So, to write more and to write better, don't stop reading other writers. Read something great on the internet. One of my favorite writers to go back to YorQuote is this girl who writes by her pen name Loves Kuch Unkahe. I already gave you an example of writing movie reviews. Daily journaling or daily diary entry is another easy way to make you write. Or writing captions on your pictures that you post on social media is another way to initiate writing. Next time when you have your friend's birthday, write an ode to them. You hear about a controversy or something going viral on social media, write your analysis over them. See, these are some natural things that you anyway feel for. So if you are confused where to start, pick up anything that is easy for you. Lastly, being in a community where people write along with you, share their experiences and can serve as a great motivation for you to continue writing, and it pumps you even more when you see people coming from the same or similar place to yours. So I invite you to Live Your Story community, which is a Facebook group of like-minded people who aspire to grow every single day. And lastly, one bonus tip that I want to give to you is to embrace imperfection. See, it's not necessary for you to write a good piece. Rather, it's important to develop this habit of writing. Good and great pieces will follow along. Quoting Margaret Atwood, If I waited for imperfection, I would have never written a word.
Yeah, that's it for today's video stories. I hope you found this video helpful, and comment below what is the next piece you're going to write on, and also consider joining me on Instagram. I talk about these things there as well in detail, so yeah, you might find that helpful as well. And yes, that's it. I'll see you all next time. Till then, dream, design, and live the story. Bye bye.